It's lunchtime and it's game time na naman dito sa San Fernando, Pampanga. Dito po ako live sa BREN Convention Center for the continuing coverage ng ating Delta Cup. Dalawang teams na po ang nanalo kanina. Nanalo ang Lubao at kanina naman nanalo ang Florida Blanca in a close match, 62-59. Ngayon ang featured na game natin, ang parehong panalong San Simon and Porac. And of course, Porac coming off a big win against Lubao nung kinover natin in a very close match. Ang tututukan natin na player dito, yung dalawang brothers, si Gigante, yung number 0, number 15, especially number 15 Gigante, who hit at last 3. And of course, yung facilitator doon na si Rodriguez. May mga mamalaking player po ang Porac to added seeding of the rebounders. But ang kailangan lang gawin dito ng Porac is not to relax. Just play their game what they played the last time. But for San Simon naman, kailangan nilang pastapin itong dalawang Gigante boys who's been very big offensively para sa Porac. The starters will be introduced in a few minutes. And of course, this is brought to you by the Pampanga Information Office and of course powered by Nagliga Asia. Like, share, and subscribe to our Facebook pages para sa ating mga kabalin dito sa buong Pampanga. So this is now game 3 of 6. It is Porac versus San Simon sa ating Delta Cup. Stay tuned. Alright, we're about to start our game for today. The Porac team versus San Simon. First possession para sa nakaputi na Porac. 3-point shot, agad-agad, hindi pumasok. You know, this Porac team are made of having textured of lining of tinatawag na talagang hinuhubog ang mga players ng Porac sa apoy, no? And what happened from last time out against Lubao, that's one for the box here in the Delta Cup. In the meantime, inside incursion for San Simon, courtesy of number 13, Angeles. Let's review the lineups. Number 13, number 7, number 15, and number 31 para sa San Simon. Para naman sa Porac, number 22, Vasquez, number 11, number 18, Ocampo, number 15, Gigante. At wala pa dyan si Rodriguez, yung isa sa mga players nila, number 9 also. Miss shot, tip in. Oy! Pumasok. Kanino i-credit yun? I-credit yata yun kay Vasquez. Dalawa sila doon ng nag-tip in. So, ang ating score is 2-all. So, inaayos lang natin ating scoreboard. The score na is 4-2. Let's check the scoreboard. Ayusin lang natin ng mga table officials. 8:49 left in the first quarter. Offensive rebound. Op. Teka muna. Oy, may offensive foul. Offensive foul yan. Okay, meron tayong officials timeout. Ayusin lang yan. Pero before that, let's have a replay of this. Boom! Ayun. May siko. Offensive foul. Naayos lang po natin mga technical officials ang ating scoreboard. We have an officials timeout. May points na rin dapat dito ang Porac no? Pero hindi mag-establish to sa score. Yan ang tamang score. 4-2 is our count. There you go. Ulit tayo sa inbound. Re-inbound for San Simon. Okay, balik na tayo sa ating ball game. 4-2, San Simon up by 2. 8:34 remaining first quarter. Oy, binabati rin natin yung si Albert. pinapabating kay Kiana at Kiel Medina. Ayun. In the meantime, it's a turnover. Babalik ang bola sa Porac. 42. 3-point shot, Gigante. That is the same spot that he put last time out. Ako kinakabahan sa batang ito eh. Yung spot na yan, dyan po nag-game winner ang Porac with 0.8 of a second to go. I-review nyo uli yan. Samantala may foul doon na San Simon. It's gonna be 3 free throws now for Gigante. He's been the giant slayer for Porac in this campaign of Delta Cup. No question about it. He can tie now if he made these 2 free throws. 4-3 is our tally. One more for Gigante. Tie game at 4. Almost 2 minutes gone by sa ating first quarter. San Simon and Porac, first deadlock. Inside. Incursion, nilabas. 3-point shot. Wala. Hinayaan na lang ni Cruz. So, yung CTS San Fernando at itong Porac, yung isa sa mga undefeated teams natin in this tournament. His layup is no good. Tipin, wala. Battle for the loose ball. Nakuha ni Cruz. Alley-oop play. No. One more serving for Porac. Turnover. Angeles. Ball slapped away from behind. At ito na yung counter fast break. Gigante with a 4-point first quarter points. Talagang ano to, tirador ito si Gigante. 6-4. Inside incursion. Wala. Cruz grabs the rebound and there's a foul. Pamatatawagan kay number 7 ng San Simon. That's his first personal. So far, Porac, ang kanilang plus sign dito is yung kanilang chemistry. Talagang matagal na sila nagkakakilala, kaya pagdating sa pair, medyo sloppy yung pasa na yon. Avila will go for the layup. Put back. Yes, sir. Sometimes yung pagiging overconfident ng Porac minsan nagle-lead sa mga ganyang fast pick points sa kalaban. Doon sila kailangan mag-ingat. Gigante, the spin, the scoop shot, put back. You know, yung mga players na ito ng Porac, nakikita mo yung poise. Hindi sila na-overexcite. Pagkalima, sige, okay, free throw tayo, ganun tayo. So we can see this beautiful move there by Gigante. And look at a well-timed lead by Vasquez. He draws a foul, will take 2 shots. Actually, Vasquez, if I remember right, yung si Vasquez, yung pagka-offensive rebound, yung hook, counted siya yun. He's the one. So, yan ang kailangan workout dito ng Porac, yung kanyang free throw shooting. But look at Cruz hustle. That's a jump ball, pero ang possession arrow pupunta sa San Simon. Second deadlock at 6. 6:19 remaining first quarter. From the baseline, the pass. Tapped by Vasquez, leaving 9 on the shot clock for San Simon. Oh, of course, binabati ko yung mga kasama natin sa volleyball. Yan. Thank you sa management. Of course, EJ Awiting, Ken Panganinan, and of course, the beautiful Cathy Bayon. Finally, nagkita tayo. Hello. Yung kanyang soulmate and watch. What a spin move there! Brought the house down to Bangi with a cyclone move. Like a typhoon. Direct highlight natin yan sa first quarter. Putback is in vain. Third effort. High octane first quarter we're seeing here, and even Commissioner Leo Isaac loves it. Ocampo is free. And Porac with a rousing start. Actually, both teams, hindi nagpapauli San Simon, No question about it. Angeles. Wrap around him. No basket. Tatawagan siya ng traveling. We have a substitution on the floor. Hindi pala substitution. Meron po, hindi yan timeout. Substitution yan. Samantala, look at that move. Tubangi, that cyclone, that typhoon move. And even Coach Leo Isaac loves it. Our commissioner of this tournament. Reminds me of kung panahon ni Jim Will Torion. Panahon ni Torion, ginagawa niya yun sa Red Bull nung araw. 10-8 is our count. Porac with a 2-point edge. Porac now one of the top teams here, displaying its savvy. Tubangi, trap, and last stop. Good defense by Manaloto. Alonso and Angeles collaborating to that defensive stop. Drive to the basket. Yanked away off the foot. Babalik ang bola sa Porac. Great styming defense and transition defense there. Halfway house of the first quarter. 5 minutes. We're playing 10-minute quarters here. FIBA rules ang ginagamit natin. Here's Gigante. Shake and bake move. Almost lost it. Gigante lost it. Great defensive stance there by Malonzo. But look at Gigante stripping the ball away. Counter steal. Cruz inabangan. Here's the baseline drive. Disinalhan ng pintuan. Almost a bad pass. Tubangi inside the drop. Inside play. Gigante. One more serving. Nope. San Simon got it. Team last says enough. Malonzo pushing the ball forward. And another case of traveling. Ako inubo sa traveling na yun. Let's see Degan in slow-mo. Ayon, sa foot. Traveling na. Kickball pa. 10-8. Rest muna si Gigante. That's a good coaching standpoint. Here's Cruz. Spins, turns. Inside pass. Vasquez. Foul. Give it up. Good call by the reps. Salihan. Naipit sa kamay on that potential alley-oop play to Vasquez. There will be 2 free throws for the defendant party. Vasquez will go to the free throw line. Take a look at this last bit of action in slow-mo. Missed by Vasquez. Ayun, hawak sa kamay yun. Yung unang free throw ni Vasquez, mga kaibigan, ay mintis. Pangalawa, pumasok, split. And Vasquez will rest. So the 2 key players there will rest. Wala akong nakita, di ko nakita dun si Rodriguez. Mukhang injured yata si Rodriguez. Mamaya, hanap tayo ng scoop sa ating coach ng Porac. 11-8. Balansat. Bishop, Dimla, counted and foul. Hang time move, good play for San Simon. Three-point play para kay Dimla. Here's a slow-mo replay. Bishop to the last second. Nicely done. Di makomplete sa 3-point play. The exact tally is 13-9. Nakagaw dito ang San Simon off the fast break. Nice finish. Nice finish. Baba sa dalawa. 13-11. San Simon hindi nagpapauli sa one of the top tier teams, Porac. Playing tough defense. There's Pascual. What a drop pass to Canlas. Tubangi with the assist. $13-9 is our tally. 3:19 remaining the first quarter. Inside incursion. That's a foul. Okay, sabi ng ating scoreboard, it's a tie at 13, but excuse me. Here's the drive and drop. Very close call. Could have been a left goal situation, pero sinignan ng referee na foul. Dimla will shoot 2 free throws. He's been a workhorse for San Simon in this quarter. Dimla ready for the second free throw. 14 fouls for San Simon, only 2 for Porac, and a split. Or 2 missed free throws rather for Dimla. Cruz launches short on his 3. Tuloy ang ating tuloy. Nagkaroon na ng konting malfunction. Angeles with a hang time move. Nope. Tobagi with a spin. And that's a blocking foul. That's a good call. Foul on Malonzo. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Yun yung fast break. Pipihit sana siya. Boom! Binangga. That's a blocking foul. Good call. That's a good call. Penalty na po ang San Simon. So Tobagi will take 2 free throws. Ito ang kailangang i-workout dito ng Porac. They already missed 5 free throws. Tied at 13. 14-13. And Tobagi will take a rest. Two and 46 remaining in the third quarter. First quarter rather. Porac 14, San Simon 13. 14 on the shot clock. Dimla. Spins. Bad pass. Babalik ang bola sa Porac. This is our third game of our triple header, of our 6-game affair. Ball goes out of bounds. Babalik ang bola sa Porac. They have 12 seconds on the shot clock. Or 14 seconds, that is. Penalty na po ang San Simon. Bad pass. And it was intercepted by Rivera. Nice getaway. May tulak sa ilalim. At foul matatawagan sa Porac. Ito yung fast break. Could have been an easy layup, pero kita mo sa baba. Ayun! May konting bangga. It's a push by number 30 Porac. That's only their 14th foul. They just entered the penalty situation. Rivera misses a 3-point shot. And the ball goes out of bounds. It will be Porac basketball. 2 minutes remaining, first quarter. 14-13 is our tally. Game 2 of 6 na ating Delta Cup. My name is Juan Pardo. Doing the call for this coverage. Here's a 3-point shot. Got it. Got it. Mako instant offense. Kapapasok lang. Nakabuslo ng 3. Lead is 4 for Porac. 17-13. Time remaining 1 minute and 39 first quarter. Inside pass. Yanked away. They're holding the referee. It's going to be a foul on Mako. Penalty situation. 2 free throws for the defended part. Good angle. Kita talaga yung foul. Penalty na po ang kabilang kupunan. Upo muna si Dimla. Having a good account of himself. Good, with some defensive posture and some baskets. Crimson now struggling in the free throw line. Unang trip niya, so free throw. The lead is still 4 for Porac. 17-13. A minute and 32 in the first quarter. Excuse me, game 2 of 6 na natin Delta Cup. Split. 17-14. Okay, tuloy lang. Nagkakaproblema lang talaga tayo sa scoreboard. Sa ating timer. 40 to shoot. Here's the drive. The layup. Nope. Gigante, blatting for it. Binigay niya sa kanya, pero meron tayong foul. It's gonna be a foul on Rivera. 2 more free throws for the defendant party. Baku, backup guard. 4 points already for him. Make that 5. He hit a 3 earlier, actually. 18-14, Porac. Approaching a minute in the first quarter. Bomb fake. Sapal. Bad pass by Cruz after that block. There's a foul on the front court against Serrano. Ito yung foul. Ayun, hinawakan. Hinawakan. Good call. So 2 free throws for the offended party for San Simon. Down by 5 points. It is a no count because when he released that ball, he stepped on the free throw line. That's a free throw violation. So sayang, pasok pa naman yun pero no basket, sabi ni referee Galotera. Inside incursion. Could have been a block, but there's a foul. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Ayun. Huli sa itaas pero merong konting girian sa ilalim. Kunanan. Misses from free throws and it is a lane violation. Laban sa San Simon, only 47 seconds left sa ating first quarter. Here's the drive. Gigante. Whapped. Lost it. Down to 32 seconds to go, first quarter. Rivera. 15 to shoot para sa San Simon. Pascual almost lost it. Hang time by Pascual. He get it right back with 4 to shoot. Constantino, no. 10 seconds to go. 3-point shot. Long. 4 seconds. Pascual lets it fly. And that should do it. First quarter ends. Ayun, nagka-problema tayo sa clock talaga, no? Alright, we're about to start the second quarter. 19-14 is the count. We'll be right back for more Delta Cup. Okay, we're back to the second quarter action at in-adjust natin yung clock. 19:14 second. Welcome back to Delta Cup. Live po dito sa BREN Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga. My name is Ryan. Oh, look at that drive. Nice drive to the paint. Agad-agad. Nagpakita si Canlas. 7-point Porac lead. 10 to shoot for San Simon. It's a foul. Medyo nagulat yung player na yun. Foul on Kapulong. Signaled by our referee Michael Galotera. 12 to shoot. Corner 3. Offline. Nice save there. Nice pass pero masyado mababa yung pasa. Almost a minute gone by sa ating second quarter. Mamaya-maya at halftime, I will have an opportunity to have some greens. Oh! That's a foul from 3-point distance. Ang matatawagan ay si number 12. Kung sakali, tingnan natin sa slow-mo kung sino yung foul doon. He check. Number 17 ang tinawagan ng San Simon. That's a foul. 3 free throws for the defendant party. Kapulong missed the first. Yun din yung kaso kanina kay Gigante. He had 3 free throws, he made 2. So yung coaching staff ng Porac ay gagamit sila ng extended minutes sa mga bagong players to gel, to have chemistry. And Kapulong makes the second of 3 free throws. One more for Kapulong. Nope. Wala. Three-point shot on its way. Wala. Cruz gets the ball. Porac attacking. Cruz on the pass. Hindi na binaba. 2 pump fakes. Cruz puts it up and in. That's the strength of Porac. Their inside incursions. And the ability to not jumping anymore, just pouring up and in. Nine seconds on the shot clock para sa San Simon, trailing by 10 now. Dito yung lumalayo dito ang Porac. Here's Pascual, 3 ball for top of the key. He makes it. First triple B connection for San Simon in this quarter. 8:17 left. Nagtatrap sa ball carrier Cruz. Naitawid. Kapulong hang time sobra. Meron tayong foul. It's a push. Foul on number 9. Take a look at this replay of the rebound. Ayun, tulak. Tinulak niya si number 30. Huling-huli. Good call by the refs. Foul on Canlas. Ayan, balik na. Ating star player ng Porac. Gigante, number 15. Here's some cuts. Uy. Is that an offensive foul? Yes, it is an offensive foul. Canlas was the culprit. Let's see that again in the replay of that push. Boom! Ayun. Tulak. Huli. Huling-huli. 2 minutes gone by, second quarter. 24-17, Porac with a 7-point edge. From the right corner court. Nahuli ang pasa, fast break it works. Ito na Porac uma-atake. Hang time, huli. Sapal ni Angeles. Let's see that again in slow-mo. With that beautiful rejection. Naihabol. Huli ka. Inbound now by Porac. Gigante will inbound from the baseline. They up by 7 now. Here's the bounce pass inside the Cruz. May konting tulak. It's going to be a holding foul on number 29 of San Simon. The big thing. His first personal. Three team fouls for San Simon. Dalawa para sa Porac. And Canlas. Ball goes out of bounds when he dribbled that basketball, so turnover. 7:41 in the second quarter. Low post play by Dimla. Nilabas. 3-point shot on its way from the corner. Wala. Put back inside. Bounces in. Para kay Rivera. The lead is down to 5 now for Porac. 24-19. Gigante almost lost control. You see some dives for both teams. And they continue to dive. As Rivera brings it down. 3-on-1 situation. Nice passing play there by San Simon. Just like that, the lead is 3 and the coach will call a timeout. Let's take a look at this last bit of action with slow-mo. Yung 3-on-1 break natin bago tayo magkaroon ng timeout. San Simon chops down the lead to 2. Seven 9 remaining in the second quarter. Ngayon, di kita ating laban. Only a 3-point lead for Porac. Game 3 of 6 ng ating Delta Cup. My name is Ram Paro doing the call. Live po tayo dito sa BREN Convention Center sa FERNANDO, Pampanga. Tournament Commissioner in attendance. From the inbound, they stole the ball away. This is just a 1-point game. Rivera consummates. San Simon trapping the ball carrier. They almost got a turnover. They do. Chance now for San Simon to take the lead for the very first time. It's a 1-point lead for San Simon. Suddenly, Porac has sprung into a dose of turnovers. That has been the problem of Porac in the second quarter against Lubao. That's why nakalamang Lubao. Pero Porac corrected that in the second half with some token resistance of defense to a very, very tightrope defense. Dinman naman para sa Porac. Gigante on the wide wing. Missed from 3-point country. Angeles clears the board para sa Porac, sa San Simon. Baseline. Dimla puts it up. Out. Cruz snares the rebound para sa Porac. Crossover by Cruz. The lob to Gigante. Batted away by Angeles. Dimla secures the board for San Simon. Rivera. The drop. No conversion. Battle for the rebound. Porac has it. Gigante brings it downtown for the white shirts of Porac. They're trailing by a point. 6 minutes remaining second quarter. 3-point shot there. It bounces out. Rebound. Cruz. Cruz. Triple team. Nilabas kay De Luna. Banging bodies. De Luna. The water. It goes. Counted and fouled for De Leon. And look at the Porac crowd. In full display of affection, sport, and love. Look at this. Kung kinain ni De Leon, kaya ko rin. Pareho kami mataba eh. Basket by De Leon. Just kidding. The last foul is on number 13, Angeles. That's his first. The Leon will go to the bonus free throw. It's a miss. Offensive rebound. Put back is no good. Tip in. No soak. Cruz lost it. One-point Porac lead. Approaching 5 minutes in the second quarter. Angeles short on his 3-point attempt. Porac muli ang bola. Methodical bringing up the ball. Itong point guard. Pero meron tayong trap. Nakagaw dito ang San Simon. Rivera consummates. And San Simon again leads by 1, 27-26. At meron namang foul. Probably on the front court. "14 seconds on the shot clock, 5:06 in the game clock. Penalty na po San Simon. So this is Gigante's turn to extricate and pile up some points. His usual average is 15 points per game. Now he has 4 points. The tie game at 27. All right, we have a timeout by San Simon. 5:05 remaining. Magbabalik po ang Delta Cup. Also big shoutout sa mga commentators sa Chinoy Basketball. Of course, si Miggy, and then si Diego de la Paz, Brian Casillas, Renzo Salaw. Of course, ang mga boss ko sa Pinoy Liga, Benny Benitez, of course. Si AJ Tanyada, kasama ko sa ISAA coverage. We'll see you. 15 to shoot. San Simon looking for a 3 ball. Wala. Porac on a fast break. And that will be a clean getaway. Despite Vergara's rejection, it will be San Simon still down by just 2. It is now 29-27. Bad pass there for San Simon. Turnover. High octane second quarter we're seeing here. 4 minutes and 38. Outstanding defense for San Simon. Nice play. Canlas scores it. Off an assist. 31-27. The lead is 4 for Porac. 4:19 remaining in the second quarter. Vergara brings it downtown. Almost trapped. Here's a drive and door play. Nice pump fake, but he will be called for traveling. 31-27. The lead is 4 points for Porac. 4 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Vasquez almost had it. Inside play for Cruz. Basket counts and 1. It's a count basket for Cruz. With a night assist by Tubangi. Take a look at this. Picture perfect execution. Cruz with a 3-point play opportunity. It's no good. They still get it. Session still for Porac. Inbound. Here's the shot. He got it. That's Canlas, 20-footer. Ups the lead of Porac to 8. 35-27. Ito na si Rivera. Off balance. He almost get it, but he will take 2 free throws. Alam niyo po, yung sa San Simon, they are fast team. It's just that yung mga last plays nila, nagkakaroon sila ng turnover. Samantalang Porac, now they realize the value of having a good point guard. Take a look at this. Off balance shot. At naipasok ni Rivera yung unang free throw. Now we're back on the live action. Rivera made the first. He misses the second. 3:35 remaining in the second quarter. Cruz brings it downtown. Ay, may hawi. May hawi. And Cruz will be called for the offensive foul. Tignan natin yung hawi ni Cruz. Ayun. Running off the shoulder. Only the first personal by Cruz. 35-28. Soliman rims out on his 3-point attempt. Ito na si Tumangi with a lob pass to Cruz. Intercepted by Soliman. Bad pass. Dimla picks the ball up. They have 15 to shoot on the shot clock. Rivera goes left. And Dimla was the guilty party. Will be called for the offensive foul. (35-28). 3 minutes remaining. First half of action. Open is Cruz. Launches a 3. Wide. Nice up fake. And Calas couldn't deliver. On the other end of the floor, here's Avila. Hang time move. Does not drop. There's a foul. There's a substitutions on the floor, probably. Another substitution. Great free throws time for Dimla. Trailing by 7. Make that 6. At, kusunod na yung home team natin, City of San Fernando. We're playing on their 4th game of 6. 2 free throws made for Dimla. The score is 35-30. 2 minutes and 46 remaining first quarter. The lob to Cruz. Vasquez with a nice up and play. 2:20 remaining. First quarter. Or rather, first half of action. Turnover. Nakuha ni Tubangi. May konting tulak pero walang tawag ng referee. Tubangi sumalaksak sa loob. Hang time move by Tubangi. Oh! Lumabas. Vasquez. Tubangi. At nagawa na ng tuluyan. Salman drives hard. A sidestep. He was walloped. May foul sa ilalim. Again, this is the game featuring San Simon and Porac. Take a look at this last bit of action of Slomo. Woo! Tinaman sa ulo. Hindi sadya ni Capulong. It's going to be a foul. And Salman will trip to the line for 2 shots. Malakas ang una. San Simon still down by 7 points. Still 7. And Cruz snares the rebound para sa Porac. Coming off a big win. 2-point win against Lubao. 3-point shot from left quarter court. Bullseye by Capulong. Believe it or not, that's the first triple B connection for Porac in the first half. Hang time move didn't pay off. Left corner court again. Same spot, different result for Capulong. Saliman on the fast break. Saliman up high. Lays it up. Too strong. Rebound. Nakuha muli ng Porac. Takbo na ngayon si Vasquez. Looking left. Looking right. Drops it up outside. Tubangi. 3. Bullseye again. And now Porac establishing a double-digit spread. Baker's dozen. 43-30. Let's take a look at this 3-point shot. First from Capulong and later on Tubangi. Timeout. Alright, back to live action. A minute and 17 na lamang sa ating first half. 13 puntos ang abante. Tight pass. Nako, nabitawan ng bola. Turnover para sa San Simon. Magandang depensa pinakita dito ng Porac. A minute remaining sa ating first half. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Ryan Paro, doing the call for our Delta Cup. This is our game 3 of 6. Baseline. Tubangi, umatras muna. Binigay kay Gigante, who's been big last time out. Gigante drive, sidestep, hang time. Wala, he gets it right back, block. And the ball will stay with San Simon, or rather Porac, with 14 on the shot clock. Inbound. From the corner. Oh! 3-point bomb exploded. Tubangi. Tubangi had a good account of himself in the first half. And a turnover. He's got that highlight move. He's got the 3. He got the assist. He's doing everything. Tubangi so far productive para sa Porac. Ito, 3-point shot. Kapulong. Malakas. Rebound ni Canlas. Balik kay Kapulong. A lot of time on the shot clock. Tubangi muli with 8 to shoot. Tubangi attacks. Sizing up the opponent. Drives hard. The hang time. Glass shot. Wala. Canlas 2 to shoot. Canlas Pochera. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha na San Simon rather. 8 seconds on the game clock. Here's the inside attack to the rack. 2 seconds, 1 second. Ito, tinila ni Tubangi. Ang layo nito! Porac 46. San Simon 32 after 2 quarters of play. We'll have the halftime highlights and also some of the statistics. We'll be right back for more Delta Cup. Okay, we're back at halftime. Ang ating score, Porac 46, San Simon 32. And we'll check now some of the highlights ng ating first half, starting with this. Fast break finish by San Simon. And on the other hand, hard foul doon, basket, Tarek Canlas, 3-point shot from the left corner court. And we're gonna bring you now our leading scores for both squads. Pero anyway, ang pinaka-notion dito ay Porac has having a good start. Pero nakabalik dito San Simon somewhat midway in the first quarter. Lamang lang ng tatlo ang Porac, but the late breakaway of Porac in the second quarter leading them to the 16-point lead. And of course, we would like to greet our friends that are right beside me at ringside. Of course, the beautiful Renalyn Tamayo and Ken's Ferry Chris Lacson. Of course, our beautiful and shining Kapampangas at its best. At tayo'y lunch na. Mayat agad panapon kay kayo, mga kabalin. And of course, in just a short while, we're gonna bring out this third quarter action. Stay with us just a moment. In a few seconds, we'll start the third period. It is 46-32 Porac. Okay, we're moments away to start this third quarter. Hope you glad to watch it with us. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Ryan Paro, doing the call for this Delta Cup Game 3 of 6 live sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga. Let's review the lineups for Porac. We have number 0, Gigante, number 18. Ocampo, number 9 Cruz, number 50 Gigante, and number 17 Perez. For San Simon, we have number 9, number 13, number 12 who just lost the ball, number 31 Timla. And now Porac is on a 14-point advantage and they have 21 seconds on the shot clock. Corner jumper makes it. Somebody's hurt. Fast break. Rivera hang times. Huli. Good shot block there by Gigante. And let's see that again in slow-mo replay. How Gigante well-timed that rejection. Nicely done. Inbound by San Simon. Rivera. 17th shoot. Left corner 3. Rattles in. Gigante may tatangan ng bola for Porac. Almost a turnover. Wraparound pass. That's too much mustard off the hot dog. Salihan is the player who made the last 3-pointer for San Simon. The lead now is 11. 46-35. San Simon now on play. The bounce pass. Dimla will not hesitate. We're patiently working on the offense. Salihan right wing. Tumina ng 3-point shot. Wala this time. Rebound. Nakuha ng Porac. Perez now quarterbacking. The third guard now for Team Porac. Gigante heads up play. Gigante will make his move. Create space. Double team comes and it will be an offensive foul on Gigante. Not his usual self this game. He's been averaging 15 points, but he only has 6. Half of that output, or usual average. But Gigante stole the ball from the inbound. Gigante going all the way, Jose. Not done. San Simon back on trail. On the outside. Step back, 3. Out. Rivera puts it back. Still no soak. Gigante clears the board. Ganun ka-intense ang laban ng both teams, ha? Perez quarterbacking. Cruz momentarily open. Decides to go shake and bake. Goes left. Crossover to the right. Cruz. Bulk. It is. Almost stripped away. 7 to shoot. Gigante. Spins. Turns. Hang time. Yes, sir. 8 points now for Gigante. The lead is 13 for Porac. 7:45 left, third quarter. Okay. Baseline, the spin, the reverse. He got it to go. That's Dimla's brute strength inside. 48-37. The lead is 11 now to Porac. Here's Cruz. Cruz with 16 to shoot. 3-point bomb. Defused. Ito na, San Simon humahabol. Also kanilang inaatupag. Dimla scores the layup. Open assist by Rivera. 4-point swing for San Simon. The lead is 9 for Porac. The pressure is on. Ocampo crosses the 8-second line. It's a warning on Salihan for faking a foul. Rebound control for San Simon. They have a chance to trim down this lead. Here it goes. Rivera will not score. Gigante clears the board. The other Gigante has it. Ocampo drives the lob. Cruz inside. Puts it in. 50-39. High octane offense we've been so far. We are on a treat here in Cabalen. Pascual, sabi niya, dandan muna tayo. Masyado mabilis ang pace ng opensa. Pascual shopping around. Bad pass. Ocampo takes it away. Ito na si Perez. The drop pass. Pocket and 1. Gigante down on the floor. And he's slightly hurt because of that fall. Titingnan natin sa replay kung paano nangyari yun. Tingnan natin. Here's the fast break. Here's the assist to Gigante. Tingnan natin. Goes, ooh, bangga. And they both sprawl in the floor just like that. Nasaktan ng todo doon si Gigante. Natamaan pero, well, matiba tong batang ito si Gigante. He just shrugged it off and he's ready to take an attempt for the 3-point play opportunity. Again, maraming salamat sa ating mga viewers sa Facebook. Yung mga binati ko kanina ngayon ay matamang nakikinig sa ating live stream. We're live at both Pampanga Information Office of our beloved Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, and also powered by Sinag Liga Asia, headed by Chairman Rocky Chan, and of course our Tournament Commissioner, Coach Leo Isaac. 3-point play does not complete. And San Simon within 13, but they almost throw the ball away. Still on the backcourt. Takbo na ngayon ng San Simon. Here it comes on the break. Side step. He lost it, but Dimla was rejected by Gigante. Nice save. But to the wrong party. Canlas on a fast break. Counter steal by Pascual. Helter-skelter basketball we're seeing in the third quarter. Eto na si Rivera. Drop to Dimla. Wow, third game has been in full display. Action-packed basketball. Gigante, libre sa tres. Tumira. Wala. Over the backboard. Babalik ang bola sa San Simon. Makikita nyo si expression ni Dimla, mga kaibigan, nakakaramdam na ng pagod. He's been running up and down on the court. Mamaya po ang City of San Fernando again. With again this our guys here, Hans Ferry, Chris Lacson, and the beautiful Renalyn Tamayo right beside me. 52-41. 5:35, third quarter, 3-point shot on its way. Bullseye! Ayan na, San Simon. Just a single digit, 8 points. Gigante. Gigante will be tested here. Here's Vasquez, Pantalasol. No, the pass inside. Cruz nagipit. Cruz passing play, intercepted by San Simon. Ito na, tumatakbo. Somebody sport on the floor. Inside pass. 6-point game. 6-point game. 8-0 run by San Simon. Tubangi. Trap. Double team. Tubangi almost lost it. Drives hard to the hole. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha. There is a hawak or push. And it will be against Porac. Woo! What action we're seeing here, ha? Third game pa lamang ito. May tatlo pa. At meron pa bukas. 6. Woohoo! (52-46). The lead is 6. 4 minutes and 48 remaining the balance third quarter. Oh, titira na 3-point shot. Yes! Tatlo na lang lamang ng Porac. What a surprise hit from 3-point shot and now trapping. Tubangi drives. The drop. No, bakit? Nakuha pa rin ng Porac. Tubangi titira ng 3. Gusto makaganti. Wala. Umaalat ng shooting ng Porac. San Simon has it. It is a match scramble. It's going to be a jump ball. Oh, look at this. This is a dogfight. Really a dogfight here, huh? This slow-mo shows how dare and how hard we will play to win. No question. Jump ball. Session arrow sa San Simon. This is for the tie. Wala. Battle for the rebound. Canlas dives for it. Vasquez has it. Back to live action. Gigante drives. Hang time move. May foul. Woo! This drive by Gigante shows how tough San Simon playing defense. We will not give you this basket on a silver platter. Sabi nga ng mga teacher sa Kapampangan, ha? Manny, kaya paghirapan na mo. Ha? May mga expression ng Kapampangan akong narinig na ganyan. Kaya paghirapan mo lahat para mapasayo. Para masasabi mo pinagtagpo at tinadhana. Samantala, offensive rebound. Inside play. Canlas scores. 55-49. 3 minutes and 50 remaining third quarter. Meron tayong out of bounds play. Substitution on the floor now. On this action-packed third quarter. Wow. You know, this venue next week, this will be packed again. That's for sure. For the Kapampangan support of the team for the national fighters on the other league. Samantala, baseline drive. Sidestep, beauty, reverse layup. Beautiful move by Angeles. Play continues. Okay. Sabi ni Totoy Marquez, meron ng timeout. Medyo nahuli lang yung buzzer. So far, San Simon just within 4. Hinga muna ako ng malalim. Meron tayong timeout. All right, the score now is 55-51. It is a 4-point lead for Porac. Believe it or not, San Simon knocking on the door. Again, my name is Ryan Pajaro doing the call for this Delta Cup in full display. 10 to shoot. Cruz. 7 on the shot clock. The runner. It goes out. Pagkakataon ng San Fernando. Oh, I'm sorry, ang San Simon na makabalik. Inside incursion. Dinaan sa ilalim. Reverse. Blanca ni Canlas. And a turnover. Approaching 3 minutes, starting third quarter. 55 Porac, 51 San Simon. Tubangi. 15 to shoot. Low post play. Uy, may holding yon. Huling-huli. Holding foul on San Simon number 7. At meron tayong substitution on the floor para sa Porac. 14 seconds na lamang sa shot clock ng Porac. Op! Meron tayong pito away from the play. It's going to be another holding foul on number 0. That brings San Simon to 3 team fouls. Or 14 fouls rather. 51 to 55. 10 to shoot para sa Porac. Tubangi will make his move. 5 to shoot. Tubangi baseline drive. Reverse. Sapal. Only 1.6 seconds sa shot clock ng Porac. Great rejection there. So almost a quick and shoot or maybe one dribble and shoot para sa Porac. The cut. They lost it. Play continues. 2:40. At may hawak si Cruz. Gonna be a holding foul on Cruz. That puts Porac into 3 team fouls. Dikit ang ating laban this third game. This is only the third game. Meron pa tayong 3 at meron pang bukas para sa ating Delta Cup. 3-point shot. Oh! Isa na lang! Isa na lang ang lamang ng Porac. What a comeback by San Simon from 14 points down. Just within a point. 2 minutes and 23. Tubangi trap. And it will be an offensive foul. Breaks going San Simon's way. And the foul will be up against Tubangi, warding off. And Tubangi is a little bit frustrated. Pumuna si Tubangi. That's only second person of foul. Balik na yung si Gigante. Not his usual self, but take a look at this last bit of action. Ayun, pinilit niya. Ayun! Siniko ng konti ni Tubangi yung isang player. Ito. Approaching 2 minutes. This is for the lead. Malonzo. Tapos. 2 minutes to go. Third quarter. Maku. Gigante drive. Sidestep. Puts it up. Puts it in. Balik sa 3. 2 minutes remaining this third quarter. Gigante now has 10 points. Double figures na. Sidestep. Here's the hang time. Sapal ni Kapulong. Good shot clock. Ball box loose. Ball still in the backcourt. And the ball will go to San Simon with 14 on the shot clock. Inbound by San Simon. Looking for a cutter. And here we go. Salihan with 10 to shoot. Brings up the ball up court now on the center court. Taken away by Gigante. Not quite. Not quite. No. Meron pa silang 6 seconds sa shot clock para sa San Simon para maka-manufacture ng play. Here's the inbound. Malonzo. Double team. 3 to shoot. They need to put it up. Ito na. 3-point shot. Pantabla! Pantabla! 57 all. Very first deadlock of the game. Porac feeling the pressure. Mako. Gigante. Slow down. Tap. 10 on the shot clock. What a comeback by San Simon. Inbound. Here's Kapulong. 9 to shoot. Ball's over. Tumila ng 3. Tapos. And suddenly, Porac has gone cold in this third. Ice cold. As far as outside shooting is concerned. Now, San Simon will have a chance to grab the lead for the very first time in this game. Take note. They're facing one of the top teams here in the Delta Cup. Ito na ang jumper. Panglabang. Wala. Put back ni Rivera. Ayaw pa rin. Kind of fast break. Canlas. Kapulong. Lays it up. He lays it out. San Simon has a chance to grab the lead now. Here's the drive. Almost made it. Rebound. Kanina pa rin. Kunan. With 28 seconds, Rivera was slowed down. Shot clock, hindi gumagalaw. Bakit? Ano nangyari doon? 20 seconds. Kunan. Not much time on the shot. Baseline, may foul. Meron tayong foul. I don't know why the shot clock is once out. Hindi ko malang shot clock, no? Anyway, penalty situation in effect para sa Porac. 2 free throws now for him. He can take the lead. And still a tie game at 57. He's been hopping and puffing. No! Hindi pa rin makalamang dito San Simon. Tabla pa rin. Lane violation. Babalik ang bola sa Porac with 13.7 seconds to go. Last shot time for Porac. Mako will bring it down. 10 seconds. Mako with 7 seconds to go. Gigante couldn't receive the ball. 5 seconds. Will make his move. Mako drives. 3 seconds. The hang time move. Wala. Put back. Rivera. Ayaw pa rin. And that should do it in the third quarter. We're back to square one. Ladies and gentlemen, we're back to square one. 57 apiece. And before we take a break, let's enjoy this highlights of this third quarter comeback by Porac. This is Delta Cup. Magbabalik po kami. Mag-umpisa na po tayo ng ating fourth quarter. Here are some of the fans who are enjoying this basketball of Delta Cup. Dito lamang sa GUIAO Convention Center. My name is Juan Paulo. Tabla tayo 57. Paul's now settling down on their offense. 10 to shoot. Here's Canlas airballs that shot. Now, San Simon has a chance to grab the lead for the very first time. I've been saying this for the past few minutes, but they didn't seize that opportunity. 12 to shoot now. Inside pass. First taste of the lead for San Simon in this entire game. Dimla executed perfectly. Take a look at this. Drive and draw. Dimla against tall trees. Lights it up the court. May kasama pang foul. He does not complete though the three-point play, but hey, first taste of the lead for San Simon. 59 to 57. Gigante with a back dribble. 10 to shoot now for Porac. Three-point shot ang layo. Hindi pumasok. San Simon surprising Porac, but there's a foul first before any attempts. At may foul tatawagin para kay number 20 Serrano. That's only his second personal foul. Pahinga muna si Mako, babalik si Tubangi, who had a great first half, but in the third quarter he's been zero. Biglang inalat si Tubangi. Let's see kung makakabawi siya sa fourth quarter. Corner. Swinging around. Three-point shot. Oh, wow! What a second half by San Simon. From 54 to 41 count. Now they scored 21 in the second half. What a superb comeback. And San Simon playing defense. They're up by 5 now. 62-57. Tubangi with 9 to shoot. Tubangi wala mapuntahan. It's a double dribble for Tubangi. The momentum clearly on the side of San Simon in this match. And so far, the steering role of this comeback is this guy, Angeles, who just given an assist. Angeles glued the team to this comeback. Gigante. 14 points for Gigante. A quiet 14 points. Balik sa lima ang abante ng San Simon, 64-59. 8 minutes remaining in this basketball game. And now, Porac's turn. Porac's fans turn to play chanting defense. Malakas ang pasa ni Malonzo. Fast break. 3-on-3 break. Here is the layup. Plus a foul. Plus a foul. So, unti-unti bumabalik muli ang Porac with their usual fast break attempts. Take a look at this. From the blind side, Tubangin nakita niya sa Canlas. Layup ni Canlas. Pumasok. May kasama pang foul. Three-point play opportunity. Wala. High on the rebound is Dimla, who has been a workhorse together with this guy, Malonzo. Tipin ni Angeles. Wala. Masamang pasa nakuha ni Dimla. Dimla is a hard-nosed defender but he lost it. Tubangin nagdadala ng trangko. Tubangin umatras. Hanap mo papasahan. Inside. Cruz is open. He bangs. It is just a blocking foul. Blocking foul. Tingnan natin sa slow-mo. Hindi naman siya nag-guard up ng elbow. Ayun. It is a blocking foul. Alam niyo sa bagong rules ng FIBA, ang tawag doon, kung nandun siya sa restricted line ng cylinder, ang tawag doon is illegal defensive cylinder foul. Sa bagong rules ng FIBA, no? Samantala, 9 seconds to shoot. The sidestep boom didn't drop by Gigante. 3-point San Simon lead. 7 minutes remaining in this game. Angeles dribbled off his foot. (64-61). It is an eternity of basketball ahead of us. Buckle up your seats, folks. It's going to be a war. Tubangi. Walang isolation. 9 to shoot. A layo 3-point shot, 30 feet. Tad short. Para kay Kapulong. San Simon with a 3-point edge. Salihan quickly scores a triple. Caught Porac by surprise actually. Kapulong sumagot and chops down the lead of San Simon to 3 with a 3-point bomb. 64-67. Nakaagaw dito ang Porac and Canlas with a 5-point cluster. At timeout muna dito ang San Simon. Isang puntos nila hinahabol ng Porac. 5:58 remaining. We will show you some highlights of this last bit of action, but we will have a timeout. So, meron lang tayong disclaimer mga kabalin dun sa mga may konting hypertension at may problema sa puso. Siguro, panoorin nyo na lang yung final score, ha? So, mag-take ka tayo ng maintenance. Samantala, bola ng San Simon, lamang sila ng 3, 67-66. Ito yung P-hit. Malonzo, drop pass. What a play! Nakabuslo na naman si Dimla. Ang hirap mamili sa dalawa kung sino yung best player. Is either Dimla o yung isang player na si number 13. Pareho silang workforce, no? Pero mamaya pipili ako ng best player. Shoot San Simon. Pwede pa tayo tapos. Cruz inside the pen. He scores. 69-68. So sa Porac at talagang gumagawa ng puntos itong si Gigante pa rin. At saka si Tubangi. Pero nanahimik si Tubangi. San, hang time move sa liman, wala. Put back, Rivera, got it. What a second half by San Simon. From 41 points, they already scored 30. At meron na silang 71 as compared to 68 to Porac. Here's the finger roll, wala. Rivera, the fast break. Rivera, hang time move, wala. Rebound, Kapulong. Nupot ko sinabol dito ng Porac. Kapulong all day to shoot. Kapos. Nawalan siya ng kumpiyansa. Easy rebound there. Ito pa isa pang, ito si Morales sa pang workhorse. Wow, what a drive to the basket by Morales. Or Angeles rather. Hirap mamili, no? At sa either Angeles or Dimla. Two-man breaking crew sila ngayon. 5-point game. Pinilit ni Gigante makadrive pero napigilan siya ni Angeles. That would be his third personal foul. Tira natin sa replay. Ito yung atake ni Gigante. Ayun, pinigilan. Holding foul ni Angeles. Ayan, buskuhan sa ilalim. Nakuha ni Cruz from the corner. 12 to shoot. Cruz po poste. Nilabas ka Tubingan. Hop step. Drive. Yun. Pumasok. Alam niyo ba ito ang kauna-una ang basket ni Tubangi sa second half? Yan, nagising ng sadli si Tubangi. 3 puntos ang abante sa San Simon. 3 minutes and 42 in this game. At muli si Angeles. Sizing up his opponent. Nabitawan. Ito na ang Porac. Counter steal. Open shot. Dimla. Titira ng press yan. Wala. Tubangi. Binangga. Balik kay Gigante. Mintis. Angeles rebounds. Referee's letting it go. The drop pass. And it is a foul by Vasquez. Tingnan natin kung ano nangyari. Pero tingin ng coaches ng San Simon, yung last replay na yun, baka ma-ans po. Pero sabi ng referee, it's a regular foul. 4-point game. Five-point game, 75-70. And an offensive foul because of utter frustration. Babalik ang bola sa San Simon. Take a look at this replay from the inbound. Yun, tulak. Inartihan ng konti, no? 3-point shot na naman, wala. Rebound, nakuha ng Porac. That's a third foul on Tubangi. Tubangi pushing the ball, drive side. Kick out, Cruz, 3. Yes! Hindi magpapatalo ang Porac. 2:50 to go. Remember, third game pa lamang ito ng 6 na laro dito sa Delta Cup. Wow. 9 to shoot. Baseline drive, drop, inside, bucket, again by Dimla. 2.5 remaining of this beautiful basketball game we're seeing here in Pampanga. Here's the penetration. 2:19 remaining. Almost a counter steal. Hang time move. Wow. Oh, yes! Salian. 79-73. Tatawag ang timeout ng Porac. And this game for Porac, they were shell-shocked on how San Simon put a comeback and now maintaining a 6-point lead. We'll be right back. kaibigan, ako itatayo dahil ang ganda na naman ng ating laban. A 6-point game, 79-73. When we're approaching the last 2 minutes of this basketball game. And this last 2 minutes brought to you by Molten, the official ball for the Delta Cup. Here's the hop step drive. Tubangi puts it up, no. Rebound, Dimla, the workhorse. Fast break, Pascual, it's up ahead. Pascual will score. 81-73. It's a 6-point lead for San Simon. Porac was shell-shocked of the second half performance by San Simon. They've scored 40 points, 14 to shoot. Looking for a cutter. Here's Gigante on the left wing, 10 to shoot. Gigante lost it. Almost a turnover. Tubangi 3-point shot. No. And here's San Simon with a break. San Simon will bring down the leader. The lead is 8 points. Angeles to Salihan. Dimla, the hero for San Simon's comeback. 9 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Angeles drives. Angeles foul. 2 free throws. This guys, Angeles and Dimla, has been a workhorse for San Simon. Look at this. Gutsy. Fine performance of these guys. And Angeles can ice the cake for San Simon. This nga lang yung unang free throw. The lead is 8 for San Simon. 81-7. The lead is 9 points. There's Kapulong. Sanlas. Gigante need the 3. Here's Kapulong from wide. 30-foot shot. Wala. From Dimla. He has a double-double. Turnover. 82-73. The lead is 9 points. Alright, tatawag ang Porac ng last timeout. 48.5 seconds. We'll be right back. Alright, 48.5 seconds. So, ulitin ko lang, 48.5 seconds. Ito na. Gigante, 3-point shot. Pumasok ang tira, may foul. Hindi pa tapos ang laban. Possible 4-point play. Pascual scored the basket. And the lead now is 6. It should be 82-76. Ito yung tira. Simultaneously, may foul basket yan. Now, the referees are conferring. Since simultaneous basket yan, that means may 14-second shot clock. So, pwede pa makabalik dito ang Porac. Okay. 42.6 seconds. Alam niyo, kapag simultaneous ang basket, tumawag niyo, walang 1 point, walang tayong 4-point play, it will be a re-inbound and the lead is 6. Yan yung FIBA rules. Ngayon, nag-uusap-usap yung mga referees kung ano yung magiging hatol sa last foul, kung yan ibibigyan lamang 1 shot o mabibigyan ng brand new possession ang Porac. Ang gusto ng mga coaches ng San Simon ay just 1 point parang free throw lang. Pero hindi. The referees have decided it will be an inbound on the side of Porac to give another opportunity to score. Remember, this is just a 6-point game. So ang rule of thumb dito, kapag may simultaneous foul tayo na na-release yung bola, so this will be an automatic inbound. Wala pa sa penalty ang San Simon. So that means it will be just an inbound. But the lead should be 6. 82-76. Ano nangyari sa score natin? So, mag-i-discuss pa sila kung score. Pero ako, tingin ko dyan, it's a made basket. The lead will be 6. It will be inbound by Porac. So, ngayon, i-decide ng ating table officials kung na maging hatol. So it will be an inbound by Porac. So hindi pa tayo tapos. 42 seconds. 6-point game lamang ito. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Simultaneous basket, so re-inbound to. Both teams now in penalty. Kailangan nila maka-inbound na maayos. Inside to Cruz. Cruz inside. Hinawakan. Foul counted. 5-point swing by Porac. Whoa! 5-point swing. May foul. And Cruz can score this 3-point play opportunity. It will be just a 1-possession game. Yes, 82-79. And a timeout now by San Simon. Magbabalik po kami. So, sa mga taga San Simon fans na akala nila tapos na laro, hindi pa po tapos. Nakabuslo ng 6 straight points in 1 possession ang Porac. So, the ball is on San Simon and we have a ball game. They're gonna inbound on the backcourt. And Porac will press. Here's the pass. Here's Malonzo. They break the press. Here it comes. Rivera, bad pass, turnover. It's a turnover. It's a turnover. Op, teka muna. Wait lang. Coaches challenge tayo. So may challenge po ang San Simon. Direct, let's replay yung last out of bounds play. Palapitin natin mga referees. Panoorin natin ang last bit of action slow mo. So, ito yan. Ito yung top view camera. Ito yung bola. Sige, slow down direct. Slow down. So, wala. Referee magdi-decide. After the review, coaches unsuccessful. Bola ng Porac. So, coach challenge ng San Simon is unsuccessful. Bola po ng Porac. Ito na. 31 seconds, 82-79, San Simon. Ito na si Dubangi on the right wing, 82 shoot, they're down by 3. They're looking for a 3-point shot. They got there for 3! No! Rebound! San Simon has it. 19 seconds, almost a turnover. Still on the back court. 14 seconds. They cross down the line. Here's the shot! Yes! Dimla scores! 8 seconds, wala na time at the Porac. Foul on Rivera. 84-79. Woo! Ho, 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 ho. 5-point game. It's a 5-point game. The score should be 84. Ayan, ito yung replay natin. Yung may tulak talaga yan. 6.7 seconds. Dimla with a go-ahead basket. And Tobangi wilt under pressure. A shocking San Simon upset. Benitez, rebound, tip in. Wala pa rin, 5 seconds. Cruz, yes. 84-81. 84-81, meron timeout. and we're gonna hang on to the air. May timeout po ang San Simon. That will be their last timeout. We're gonna hang on to the air. Both teams in penalty. Both teams had no more timeouts to call. 3 puntos. All San Simon needs is a good inbound from the backcourt or maybe the front court, whatever they wish. Should San Simon win, it will be Dimla. At ganyan sila natin Dimla with the go-ahead basket. So siya na talaga. Should Porac wins, it would be Cruz. Although Gigante hit the last 3-point shot. But it was Cruz all around brilliance. Propelled them with a big lead. Nag-evaporate lang. So that's our game story for today. So i-inbound. San Simon will inbound on the front court. 3.5 seconds. Porac will foul immediately if San Simon inbounded successfully. Otherwise, it will be a go-ahead for them. Pabas sa steal. It is a foul. Foul on Kapulong. And Angeles will shoot 2 free throws with 2.9 seconds. Ang ating score, mga kaibigan, is 84-81. Direct, the score is 84-81. Porac. It's a 3-point lead. This is the slow-mo replay of the last action. A miss. Again, our score, mga ka-Delta Cup, 84 San Simon, 81 Porac. 2.8 seconds. Miss both. 2 seconds. They will put it up. Tubagi, let's apply. Wala na. San Simon wins. San Simon wins. Final score, 84 for San Simon, 81 for Porac. Porac will go down to 1-1 record. We'll be right back for our best player choice shortly.
Sound check. Mic test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sound check. Mic test 1, 2. Sound check 1. Mic test.
To 81, in-upset lang nila one of the top teams, Porac. San Simon wins. Kausapin ko muna si Steven Angeles, one of the best player to Bogan. Steven, nag-lead ka ng comeback nitong San Simon from 12 points down the first half. Anong sinabi ni Coach sa'yo?
Sa first half po, sobrang kalat ng depensa namin tsaka yung offense po namin. Yung inisip lang po namin, bibigay po namin best namin sa second half. Nagtulong-tulong po kami kasi kulang po yung mga players namin. Nasa Manila po yung iba. Nagtulong-tulong na lang po kami kung sino po nandiyan. Po kami nag-step up. Tsaka nagkuha rin sila sabi ng coaches na sinusundan lang po namin.
At ito naman to si Jay Angeles. Jay, nung bumabalik ang Porac from your lead kanina ng 8, tumambla, tas go-ahead basket. 3 points na lang, nakascore ka ng go-ahead basket. Anong feeling na finally nakaisa kayo sa Porac?
Sinundan lang po namin yung sinabi ni Coach at saka work hard at saka double effort lang po palagi.
Alright.
Alright, dahil kayo pareho ang best player of the ballgame, unahin ko muna si Steven. Pwede ka na bumati bago ako mabusan ng boses.
Tapos salamat po kay God sa binigay ng panalo sa amin. Wala pong nasaktan sa amin on injury. At wala pong nasaktan. Tsaka bigay po namin best namin sa laro. Pinapasalamatan ko po si Governor Dennis Dalta Pineda sa paligan ng punto na marami po nabigyan ng chance at makita yung galing nila. Tsaka yung Balensan Simon po, maraming salamat po sa lahat na sumusuportahan sa mga Balay Kapampangan tsaka yung pamilya ko po sa bahay.
Ikaw naman, JB, pwede ka nang bumati at magpasalamat.
Binabati ko nga po pala yung mga family ko sa San Simon, yung mga kaibigan, Dimla family, Sidro family, mga teammate ko sa Dapso, sila Oachville, si Denver, at buong sumusuporta sa Balensan Simon. Tsaka kay Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Thank you po.
Steven Angeles and JB Dimla, hard workers, best player honors. That's it for our game 3 of 6. Next, Santa Ana versus the home team City of San Fernando. Magbabalik pa po ang Delta Cup.